Salesforce has transformed from a CRM to a comprehensive business solution. Key features include lead management, email integration, and sales collaboration. These tools streamline operations, enhance communication, and boost sales efficiency. Let's delve into how these features can revolutionize your business processes. Account and contact management centralizes customer data, offering a complete view of activity history, communications, and key contacts. This feature ensures all customer interactions are easily accessible, enhancing relationship management and streamlining communication efforts. Opportunity management is crucial for tracking sales deals and connecting with key stakeholders. It monitors deal stages and suggests strategic next steps, enhancing efficiency in closing deals. This feature ensures that sales teams are always informed and ready to act, maximizing the chances of winning deals and driving business success. Salesforce Engage bridges sales and marketing by sharing marketing content with sales teams and providing real-time sales alerts. This integration enhances selling power, ensuring teams are informed and responsive. By aligning these functions, businesses can optimize their sales strategies and improve overall performance. Sales collaboration empowers teams with social tools to connect and share competitive data. It enables seamless collaboration on opportunities, regardless of location, enhancing teamwork and efficiency. By finding sales experts and sharing insights, businesses can drive growth and success from anywhere. Sales performance management enhances team efficiency by focusing on compensation management and process execution. It sets metric-based goals and offers continuous feedback, driving improved sales outcomes. This feature ensures that sales teams are motivated and aligned with business objectives, ultimately boosting performance and achieving targets effectively. Lead management offers insights into marketing's impact on sales pipelines, prioritizing crucial and trending deals. This feature optimizes time investment, ensuring sales teams focus on high-value opportunities. By streamlining lead prioritization, businesses can enhance efficiency and drive better sales outcomes. The Salesforce mobile app transforms your device into a portable sales office. It enables calls, lead responses, and updates on the go. Manage meetings, events, and accounts seamlessly from one app, ensuring you stay connected and productive wherever you are. Workflow and approvals in Salesforce. Automate business processes using visual workflows. This feature offers flexible approval processes for discounts and expenses, streamlining operations efficiently. By automating these tasks, businesses can focus on strategic activities, enhancing productivity and decision-making. File sync and share enhances collaboration by allowing seamless file sharing and real-time activity tracking. It ensures the publication of accurate content, minimizing errors in sales processes. This feature is crucial for maintaining efficiency and precision in business operations, setting the stage for effective sales forecasting and strategic decision-making. Sales forecasting offers real-time insights into team forecasts, tracking top performers and providing a comprehensive business view. This feature empowers businesses to take necessary actions promptly, enhancing decision-making and strategic planning. It seamlessly integrates with reports and dashboards, simplifying data analysis and enabling efficient sales forecasting without information technology assistance. Reports and dashboards offer a real-time business view, simplifying data analysis and decision-making. They enable sales forecasting report creation without IT assistance, empowering teams to make informed decisions swiftly. This feature enhances operational efficiency by providing actionable insights at a glance, crucial for strategic planning and performance tracking. Email integration seamlessly syncs with Outlook and Gmail, enhancing communication efficiency. It offers a complete view of connected customers, streamlining interactions and ensuring faster work. This feature is crucial for maintaining effective email communication, allowing sales teams to stay connected and informed effortlessly. Territory management optimizes sales territories for maximum profit by structuring them logically. It allows safe exploration of new strategies, like new assignment rules and hierarchies. A single rule can be applied across multiple territories, streamlining operations and enhancing efficiency. Salesforce's features from customer relationship management to mobile apps, significantly enhance business operations and sales management. By leveraging these comprehensive solutions, businesses can optimize processes, improve sales efficiency, and drive growth. Embrace Salesforce to transform your business landscape and achieve unparalleled success.